So let me guess. January 1st, you made some financial goals, right? Probably to save more or spend less, or maybe even start a side hustle. But somewhere between February's food inflation and July's fuel price, those goals totally disappeared. I get it. But guess what? August is actually a good month for you to restart. And I'll show you how. Join me. You don't need a new year to restart your financial journey. What you need is a decision. And August gives you that, which is time. 4 months is enough for you to make that financial decision. You have over 17 weeks to the end of the year, and that's plenty of time for you to restart your financial journey. So, in this episode, we're going to be talking about three basic steps that you can take in order for you to be able to restart that financial journey without shame, stress, but with results before the end of this year. Let's go. First off, let's start with reviewing what you've done from January to this month. Review without guilt. So instead of you worrying about the decisions that you should have taken, the things that you would have invested in, the stocks that you would have invested and have made money, throw that all away. It's a new day for you to start. Instead, I want you to think of something positive. What is that one financial goal you've done right this year? Maybe you started budgeting and actually going through and making some points. Maybe you said no to one impulse purchase, or you learned something new about money this year. Celebrate that. It's something. These were things that you were not probably doing last year. After doing that, ask yourself, what didn't go right this year? What should I have done differently that would have given me a different result? I want you to please celebrate that. You can drop it in the comment section. Let's know how your financial journey has been so far. Also ask yourself, what distracted me? Or what was that unexpected bill that came? So you know how to plan for the future. You can do a quick exercise after watching this video. So I want you to write down two things you want to restart from today and why those things are very, very important to you. Number two, set small, clear, doable targets that you know you can achieve before the end of this year. The mistake most people make is setting goals that are too big too fast. So you don't need to save 500,000 by the end of December or 1 million naira. What you need to do is to start from where you're at. Example of small clear goals. You can say, I'm going to save 10,000 or 5,000 naira every week till the end of this year. Put it in a savings account that's going to be generating you something. Don't just drop it in the bank. There are high yielding savings accounts that you can open and put those monies in. Think of how you can start paying off some debts that are eating a chunk of your income. If you can cook a meal at home, you don't need to go out. Cook those meals at home. They're cheaper. Like I said in my last episode, look at what you can learn. Think of a skill that you can do to earn you more income. Think of how you can develop yourself and add more value to what you bring to the table. So what small win are you committing to start today before the end of this year? You can drop it in the comment sections. Let's know what your thoughts are. You might just inspire someone. Number three, and very important, create a system that keeps you on track. Discipline is not easy, I won't lie. That's why you need a system that can keep you in track. Okay? There's this saying that says, what doesn't get measured doesn't get done. So if you don't have a system that will check what you're doing and ensure that you're meeting up those targets, it's not going to be easy. You can't just wish it to happen. It has to be intentional. In order to do that, you can set like a weekly check-in, weekly reminder. So every week you have a day and a time that you go over your transactions for the week, see where you didn't do well, see where you need to improve, what are those targets you were able to meet. You'll be surprised how effective something as simple as this is. Another very important thing, find an accountability partner. Someone that understands your goals, someone that, will tell you the truth, not someone that is just going to say, I beg, someone that will tell you the truth. and you also be that person's accountability partner. This is very, very effective. It's something I have tried and I have seen how effective it is. Use a savings platform like Piggyverse or Cowrywise just to, help you save. What really matters is consistency and not perfection. Even if you fall off some weeks, you rise up again. That's confidence, that's growth, that's you building something tangible. So, if there's anything you're going to take away from this video, I want you to realize that this month is a second chance for you to restart, for you to realign. It's a clean page and it's not too late. Your 2025 financial journey is still being written and you can determine how it ends. You don't need big money to build confidence. What you need is action, small actions taken consistently. You can do this. And here at Mosbury, we're here right here cheering you on. Comment below what money goal you're restarting this August. Let's hold each other accountable. And if you want a free downloadable August tracker, just comment below, I'm in, and I'll send it to you. So let's do a quick recap. Number one, we said review without guilt. Number two, set small, clear goals. And number three, create a system that keeps you on track. So if you found this video helpful, or you know anyone that will benefit from this video, please share, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I'll see you in the comment section and also in the next video. Until then, stay financially fabulous. Bye bye.